All right, I'm gonna show you guys what back grinding means, or back gouging. In welding school, they didn't show us this or teach us this. I didn't really even know about it until I came into tank welding. I think it's more common with shipyards or tank welding companies. Basically just means I'm removing all the trash from the root. You can do that with a grinder or with an arc gouger. I just use a grinder, it's pretty simple. Normally where it's tight, that's where you really gotta dig into it deep, but where the gap was pretty big right here, penetrated through, normally I can just score, I'll still grind into that, but it's gonna be a lot easier to get clean base metal here than it is here. Basically, I'm gonna have to grind in a little deeper here, but you're just grinding in to the whole groove until you see all silver or base metal. And then once it's all silver, then you put in, the 7018 pass or whatever you're welding. It could be dual shield or, you can back gouge on really anything. So in my case, I'm doing 7018. I'm gonna put a 7018 pass on the back. All right, so this is what you want to look for. Nothing but clean base metal. Should look all silver. Like I said earlier, it was pretty tight right here, so I had to go in a little deeper than the bottom, but I'll just make sure to stay there a little bit longer and fill it up. The better the root you put in, the easier it is for you to back gouge. Because if you put in a nice root, then you only got to, dig in a little bit. But if you put in a lot of trash, then you got to dig in really deep. And, you can get out all that trash, but if you dig in super deep, then you got to put in, 3 or 4 passes to, finish the back. So the better the root you put in, the easier this will be. Then after you burn back into the groove, you're all done.